Alright, let's check out how to use the brand new Kling 2.5 Turbo Video model. On the left-hand side, go to the global sidebar and click on AI Video. Now you can actually use Kling 2.5 Turbo in both image to video and text to video. So let's start with image to video. Here we'll try generating a cinematic style video exploring the mysteries of space. Just click on Video Model, choose Kling 2.5 Turbo. Add a start frame as your reference image. Type your description below. Pick the right duration. And then hit Generate. And your video is ready. Next, let's do the same with text to video. This time, we'll generate an Olympic competition scene. Once again, select Kling 2.5 Turbo as the video model. Enter your description. Choose the aspect ratio you prefer, and click Generate. Pretty cool, right? And of course, you can use the exact same steps to create your own videos. So go ahead, give Kling 2.5 Turbo a try, and see what you can make.